Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you all how to get a 5 on your AP Calculus AB exam. I was able to get a 5 on this exam, so I wanted to help you guys get good scores on your exams too. So the first thing you need to do is memorize your formulas and theorems. So I have some basic formulas and theorems here that you should know. Of course, there's a lot more than this, but these are just the basic ones that you should know before taking the exam. And memorizing these formulas are really important because there's going to be questions on the exam where you won't be able to know how to solve them without using the formula. And on the right, I just wanted to show you guys how I would memorize my formulas before any test or the AP exam itself. I would just continuously write them down on a piece of paper until I was able to write it down from memory. So I think that's a really good way for anyone to memorize the formulas, especially if they struggle with remembering things like me. The next thing you want to do is practice both multiple choice questions and free response questions. So on College Board, there's a really good resource called AP Classroom, and they have a lot of MCQ questions there. You can also study MCQ questions from your school textbook, Albert.io, and Khan Academy. For the FRQ questions, I recommend practicing from College Board's website where they have released old exam free response questions. So I did all of those things, and that really helped me prepare for the exam. And while you're studying, make sure to time yourself according to College Board's timing and use your graphing calculator so you're familiar with those things on the exam day. The last thing is to stay positive. Remember, there's going to be hard questions. You should not panic and you should stay calm. You can still get a 5 or any good score without getting all the questions right, so you don't need to worry about missing a few questions. And remember that this is just one test on one day and that our scores don't define who we are. As someone who goes to a competitive high school, it's very hard to stay positive. So I would write myself like little positive notes to keep myself motivated and think positively, and it actually helps a lot in the end. So over here I have a note that I wrote to myself. And yeah, that's it. So good luck, you guys, and I hope you get the scores that you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe.